Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Just Easy English Podcast.
Hi, friends. It's so good to have you here with us today.
I'm Hazel.
And I'm Mark. Today, we have something really special for you.
Yes, today is different. Today, we're not just teaching English, we're also talking about motivation.
That's right. We're going to share 5 powerful phrases you should tell yourself every single day.
These are words that can change your life. They're simple, but they're strong.
And the best part? You'll practice English while learning to think positively.
We'll share our personal stories, explain why these words are important, and help you use them in your own life.
So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's start this journey together.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Just Easy English Podcast.
Okay, Hazel, let's start with the first phrase. Number 1, I can do anything.
Oh, I love this one. This is so important.
Can I tell you a story?
Of course.
5 years ago, I wanted to learn French, but I was scared. I thought, I'm too old. It's too difficult. I can't do this.
And what happened?
Well, I almost gave up. But then, one day, I decided to change my thinking. Every morning, I looked in the mirror and said, I can do anything. I can learn French.
And did it help?
Yes. At first, I didn't believe it. But after saying it every day, something changed. I started to believe in myself.
That's beautiful, Mark. You know, many people have this problem.
What do you mean?
We say, I can't too much. We say, I can't speak English, I can't get a better job, I can't change my life.
But that's wrong thinking.
Exactly. When you say, I can't, you stop before you even try.
So what should we do instead?
Every morning when you wake up, say to yourself, I can do anything I want. I can learn, I can grow, I can succeed.
Even if you don't believe it at first.
Yes, even if you don't believe it, because words are powerful. When you say something many times, you start to believe it.
And when you believe it, you start to do it.
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Last year, I wanted to start running, but I thought, I'm not a runner. I can't do this.
But you run now. I see you running every week.
Yes, because I changed my words. I said, I can do this. I can run. And now I run 3 times a week.
That's amazing. So, everyone listening, remember, your words create your reality.
If you say I can, you will find a way. If you say I can't, you will find an excuse.
So choose your words carefully. Say, I can do anything.
Okay, Mark, let's talk about number 2. I am getting better each day.
This one is really important for me.
Why?
Because I used to be very impatient with myself.
What do you mean?
Well, when I was learning English, I wanted to be perfect immediately. If I made a mistake, I felt terrible. I thought, why am I still bad at this?
Oh, I understand. Many people feel this way.
Yes, but then I learned something important. Progress is better than perfection.
That's a great phrase. Say it again.
Progress is better than perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be a little better than yesterday.
I love that. Can you give an example?
Sure. Today, maybe you learn 5 new English words. That's progress. Tomorrow, maybe you practice speaking for 10 minutes. That's progress. Every small step counts.
You know, I have a similar story.
Tell me.
A few years ago, I wanted to learn how to cook, but at first, everything I made tasted terrible.
Really?
Yes, my soup was too salty, my rice was too hard. Everything was a disaster.
So what did you do?
I wanted to give up, but then I told myself, I'm not perfect, but I'm getting better each day.
And did you get better?
Yes! Each week, my cooking improved a little bit. Now I can make many delicious dishes.
That's the power of this thinking. You accept that you're not perfect right now, but you trust that you're improving.
Exactly. Every day is a chance to grow.
So, everyone, please be patient with yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Just compare yourself to who you were yesterday.
Are you a little bit better than yesterday? Then you're winning.
Say it every morning. I am getting better each day. Say it when you make a mistake. Say it when you feel discouraged.
Because it's true. Every challenge makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something new.
Growth takes time, but it's happening every single day. All right, number 3. I am working hard.
This one's about action, right?
Yes, dreams are good, but dreams without action are just wishes.
That's so true. You can say, I can do anything, but if you don't work, nothing will happen.
Exactly. Let me ask you, Hazel, what does working hard mean to you?
Good question. For me, working hard means doing something every day toward my goals, even if it's small.
I agree. It's not about working 24 hours a day. It's about being consistent.
Right. For example, if you want to learn English, you don't need to study for 5 hours every day.
No way. That's too much.
But if you study for 20 or 30 minutes every single day, you will see big results.
That's consistency. And consistency is more powerful than intensity.
Can you explain that?
Sure. It's better to study 30 minutes every day for 1 year than to study 10 hours once a month.
Because regular practice builds habits.
Exactly. And habits create success.
I have a story about this.
Please, share it.
Last year, I wanted to read more books, but I was always too busy. So I told myself, I am working hard to read. And I made a rule. Read just 10 pages every night before bed.
Only 10 pages?
Yes, it sounds small, but guess what? In 1 year, I read 15 books.
That's amazing. See, small daily actions create big results.
Exactly, and I never felt stressed because 10 pages is easy.
So everyone, remember, success doesn't come from one big effort. It comes from many small efforts every day.
Tell yourself, I am working hard, and mean it. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it.
Because successful people aren't always the smartest or the most talented.
They're just the ones who don't quit. They keep working day after day.
And that's what separates winners from dreamers' hard work.
Okay, Mark, let's talk about number 4. I was born to do great things.
This one gives me chills every time I say it.
Why?
Because it reminds me that I have a purpose. I'm not here by accident.
That's beautiful. You know, many people don't believe they're special.
I know. They think, I'm just ordinary. I'm not talented. I can't do anything great.
But that's not true. Every person has something special inside them.
Absolutely. You don't have to be famous to do great things.
What do you mean?
Well, great things doesn't mean you have to be a celebrity or a millionaire.
Right, great things can be simple.
Exactly. Maybe your great thing is being a loving parent, or being a good teacher, or helping your community.
Or maybe it's creating art, or starting a small business, or learning a new language.
Yes, everyone has a gift. Everyone has something they can give to the world.
I really believe this. Let me tell you something personal.
Please do.
When I was younger, I thought I wasn't special. I compared myself to everyone and always felt small.
What changed?
One day, a teacher told me, Hazel, you were born to do great things. You just have to discover what they are.
Wow. How did that make you feel?
At first, I didn't believe it, but those words stayed in my mind, and slowly I started to believe them.
And now?
Now, I know my purpose. My great thing is helping people learn English and feel confident.
And you're doing it. Right now, thousands of people are listening to you.
Yes, and that's why I want everyone listening to know you were born to do great things.
Maybe you don't know what your great thing is yet, and that's okay.
Yes, your job is to keep growing, keep learning, and trust that your purpose will reveal itself.
Say it every morning. I was born to do great things. Say it until you believe it, because it's true.
Okay, the last one. Number 5, people's opinions don't affect me. Oh, this is a tough one for many people.
Why?
Because we care so much about what other people think.
That's true. We want people to like us, to approve of us.
But here's the problem. If you live your life trying to make everyone happy, you'll never be happy yourself.
Exactly. You can't control what people think about you.
Some people will love you. Some people will criticize you. And that's okay.
Let me tell you something. When I started learning French, some people laughed at my mistakes.
Really?
Yes, they said, your pronunciation is terrible. Why are you even trying?
That's so mean. How did you feel?
At first, I felt embarrassed. I almost quit.
But you didn't.
No, because I told myself, people's opinions don't affect me. I'm learning for myself, not for them.
That's powerful.
Yes, and you know what? Those people are still in the same place. But I've grown so much.
That's the key. While they're criticizing, you're improving.
Exactly. So, everyone please remember, other people's opinions are not your reality.
If someone doubts you, that's their problem, not yours.
Stay focused on your goals. Keep working hard. And let your results speak for themselves.
The people who matter will support you. And the people who don't support you don't matter.
Beautiful. Say it with me. People's opinions don't affect me.
Wow, Mark, what a powerful conversation.
I know. I feel motivated just talking about this.
Let's do a quick recap. We talked about 5 things to tell yourself every day.
Number 1, I can do anything.
Number 2, I am getting better each day.
Number 3, I am working hard.
Number 4, I was born to do great things.
Number 5, people's opinions don't affect me.
Now we have a challenge for you.
Yes. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, say these 5 things out loud.
Say them in front of a mirror. Say them with confidence.
It might feel strange at first, but trust us, it works.
And we want to hear from you. Which of these 5 phrases is most powerful for you?
Write your answer in the comments. We read every single comment.
Also, if you listened to this whole episode, write yes in the comments. Let's see who's really committed.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to Just Easy English Podcast.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Remember, you are capable of amazing things.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.